I've got 5 minutes to throw together a healthy, delicious dinner to feed 5. Think I can do it? 5 minutes to feed 5 people for only $1.35 with just what's in your pantry? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org, your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. So I've got 5 minutes to get dinner on the table. My go-to, fried rice. My secret, instant rice. Cooks in 5 minutes, not 30. So in a glass bowl, you're gonna wanna combine 2.5 cups of instant rice with 2.5 cups of boiling water. And 3 bouillon cubes. Now you're gonna wanna pour over 2.5 cups of boiling water straight into rice. You're just gonna wanna stir it real good, make sure all the rice is covered with the boiling water, and crush those bouillon cubes. I think it's gonna take about 5 minutes to absorb all the water. We're gonna set this aside. Next, we're going to take 4 eggs. If you have hens, and that shelf-stable eggs. If not, you can use what we've got here is the powdered eggs. What we're going to do is combine a 1/2 cup of egg powder equals 4 eggs. 3/4 cup water. Mix it all together. Next, you're gonna wanna preheat your stove on medium with some avocado oil. Once your eggs are all mixed, we're gonna pour it onto the preheated pan with the avocado oil. We're going to let the oil sear to the bottom and create a film between the eggs and the oil so the eggs don't stick to the pan. And once you see your eggs start boiling, then you can start stirring. Now, once you got the eggs about halfway cooked, you're gonna wanna add your peas and carrots. Just open a can of peas and carrots, drain the water. And then we're just gonna add these peas and carrots straight to the eggs. Then we're gonna wanna stir it all together and finish cooking the eggs. Now you're gonna wanna add all your yummy seasonings. And I'm gonna add it straight to the rice to make it super easy. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of soy sauce straight to the rice. And we're going to add a tablespoon of sesame oil. And then we're gonna add a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Now, once your eggs and peas are all cooked good, we're just gonna dump it all together and give it one big final stir. Mix in that soy sauce, sesame powder, or sesame oil. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, oh. It smells so good. So now all you gotta do is dish out and enjoy. 5 minutes to feed 5 people for $1.35 each. So good. Now, let me know in the comments your busiest night of the week that you could really use this recipe. And follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependency on the refrigerator. Till next time.